Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So my E30 is right behind me. I'll show you guys everything that we've done. Now, this has been a long time coming. This thing's been under the knife for the last couple months, but finally I can go ahead and show it to you guys and give you guys a full breakdown. Let's get into today's video. So how I ended up with this car is I ended up getting a hatchback, 1998 EK hatchback that was in a minor accident. I fixed it, I sold it, give it a full paint job, give that Civic Type R look. Sold it for $6,500 Then with that money, I bought a 1958 Volkswagen Bug, and that I kind of give it that slam patina look. I got that car for $5,000. Ended up selling that one for 15 grand, so that was a good profit margin, which allowed me to buy this thing. So I actually paid about $10,000 for this car, in a sort of rough shape, but had a lot of good bones. So I had like these walkaround seats, had the 1552s on there, had a M52 swap. It's a late model E30 versus the older models that already had the M-Tech kit. I already had a lot of good stuff, and to be honest, that's kind of where I enjoyed it the most, because it was just like a ripper. It would just, you get in, just drive the thing, and I drove it in that condition for a long time, about a year. And now, recently you guys have seen that we've done pretty much a full exterior interior restoration, headliner, interior, door panels, carpets, everything on the interior. Got a real nice renowned steering wheel with that color match tri-stitch to kind of go with the theme that we have going on here. I also installed some D2 coilovers, a bunch of little things, like even these new gaskets, and there's just a lot of stuff that has been gone into it. But let's go over what we just recently did and wrap up to where the car is at now. M-Tech wing. So this is pretty cool because it's definitely like old school. Like, the car really well put together. It's very clean. Got the smileys on there. Brand new BMW emblems. Just like little things that make this car so nice. Definitely going to miss it. Like, this series has started from the EK to the Bug, now to the E30. The E30 is now for sale. I'm listing it for $25,000 or best offer. Do I think it's worth $25,000? Yes. And I mean this paint job alone could be about 12 grand roughly. The interior, the M-Tech cloth was about $250 a yard, so that's just about $1,000 just in material, just like that. And Recaros, the swap, everything kind of put together. When you add everything up, I feel like it's a $25,000 car all day. I am open to offers, maybe even trades, but in reality, I'm hoping to do two things with this sale: get another project car and finish the Skyline. Now, I don't know if that's gonna be enough money for both of those things, but maybe another smaller project car. Right now, I'm not necessarily gonna go to the next level, kind of level up, because I do need some of this money for the swap. So what we're gonna do is wrap it up right here. And let me know you guys' comments, your thoughts. E30, is it roughly priced properly? Is it priced too high, too low? What do you guys think? I think when you actually start building cars, and it's not like your first time, and like you're going for the quality, right? Not like the cheapest possible. You can kind of see how this is pretty well priced for the condition that it's in. But I'm very happy with the outcome. I hope you guys like the little mini build series and got a little bit of look into how I ended up building this car in this timeline and stuff like that. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe and notification button, and go ahead and give us a follow on IG. I'm gonna drop my links right here. I'm hoping that we get a sale on this thing soon, because a part of me is like, I want to finish the Skyline, but I also want to go on to another project as well. I'm very like that. I don't know why. I have a curse, and I like to have a lot of project cars. And my my most happy moments are when I first pick up a project car, and I kind of get, I don't know, for me, I get like this sort of high that's just like, oh dude, like what we're gonna do and this and that. So I'm always chasing that. I'm always chasing a new build, a new inspiration, and to say that I've had one of these and stuff like that. Like just like on the last one, the patina build, like I always saw those things and I was like, I want to do one, and I had one. I used it, I had fun with it, got rid of it. Now we're here on the E30, and I've always wanted an E30, and this is kind of how I would build my E30. The only thing I would really want to do on top of everything I've done is maybe a turbo kit, but who knows? I think now I'm just rambling on. But thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one. Skyline's getting a bunch of updates on the next one, so you guys don't want to watch that episode. So thank you guys so much. You're at SOS Customs. We got you covered. Peace.